Hi, it's Master McCann again. Now I'm following on from Mr. Watt's last Nunchuck video. So before we start this, go and do the Nunchuck warm-up. You back yet? Good. Okay, so now that we're all warmed up, we're going to start off nice and easy with passing the nunchucks around the waist. Okay, so with the nunchucks, I'm going to do these in my right hand and turn side on so you can see. First thing I want to tell you is when we place this, we're going to start off bouncing this bit off the hips. Okay? So you put one hand just out the way, this is all I want you to do first. Bounce it off the hip bones. So this end isn't hitting us. It's just the chain or the string around the waist. Okay, so put my left hand forward, put the back of your hand on your belt or at the base of your back. Come off the hip, bring it round. When you feel it, just catch. Let go, bring it back out. So off the hip, pass it around the back. As soon as it touches the hand, just close the hand around it. Let go, catch, release, change hands, passing around the waist. So we'll do that now from the front so you can see what it is. We'll go this hand. So we're coming off the hip, come around the back, catch, release, change, off the hip, catch, release and change. Okay, so at this point now you can pause this video and practice this as often as you need to before we move on to the underarm catch. Okay, are we all back? Good. Okay, firstly, nunchucks, left hand or right hand, I don't mind. All you're going to do is bring it straight up. And I want you to get to this position. So if you look at my elbow here, it's pointing out to the side. And this hand's vertical. So the nunchucks are hanging and the stick's bit underneath your arm. So all you're going to do from here is reach across the front of your body, grab the bottom one, let go of the top one, and then swing it up over the other side. And again, the arms out to the side, arms vertical, reach across and grab, release the top one, change arms. And we're always reaching across the front. So we're not trying to go around the back to get it, we're reaching across the front. Release the top and change, release the top and change. If you're struggling, what I find is it's usually this arm. This arm comes forward, and then the nunchuck's hiding behind your back and you can't find it. So keep it out to the side, reach across and grab, release and change. And just have a play, change. Again, feel free to pause the video and do this a lot. Okay. If you're ready to begin, we'll start passing across the back. So with this one, I'm going to turn side on first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go from my right shoulder to my left hip. That's the path that the nunchucks are going to take across my back. So I'm going over the shoulder to the hip. So it travels here. Watch again. So it comes over the shoulder, so the hand goes flat of the hand on the back, over, catch. Over, catch, release, and this time it's going to come over here, catch, catch, catch. So from the front, we're looking at going opposite shoulder to hip, over, 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 to here. Okay, now practice, practice, practice. Once you've practiced those, feel free to mix these up. So what you can do is come off the hip, over the shoulder, underarm catch, across the back, take it out, off the hip, round the back, underarm pass, across the back, anywhere you want to go with those. So practice those. And then we'll move on and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.